CA API management, what I felt was when we reviewed along with the multiple other vendors out in the market, we felt the operational side of API management is pretty simple so that we can ramp it up very fast in our organization. So the way the product is built was really good. It simplifies the operational cost. So because it's a self-contained in one container or one image, so when we wanted to scale, when we wanted to deploy a new gateway, you could literally do it in like 2 to 3 hours or in less than 30 minutes. If you have an automated way, you can spin up in an automated way. And it is also an ability, we are also having an ability to deploy that in cloud if you wanted to. That is one of the very powerful thing for us to get the buy-in from our operations team. The API management has a few products in it. I think like Gateway, Portal, and so far both Gateway and Portal are good, but we would like to see a little bit more improvements on the Portal side, but the Gateway is kind of solid. Giving a polished look for your documentation on the Portal is the place where I see you have to invest and then spend money on it. So today it is not that straightforward to do document, even though it auto-generates some, and it's not really auto-generating it from the gateway. I would like to see an auto-generation of the documentation, and how do you make sure to bring a professional look to that space. Those are all the things that I would expect. On the scale of 1 to 10, I would give 9 to CA API management. The scalability of the gateway is pretty straightforward and easy because it's simply contained within as an image or as a simple container form. You could easily deploy an ad, and it supports a cluster architecture, so where you can add new nodes on the go, and it automatically gets all the things that is already available. So that is pretty neat. It was not that complex, and it is pretty straightforward and easy way to set it up. And there are like few optimization and nuances that you may not able to do as a starter, and but you should be able to get help from CA support to do those. We worked with like few other vendors. I don't want to tell their names, but they are very leading vendors in the API management space. We picked the CA for a few reasons, because we have some legacy protocol that's being supported only by CA and API management, and that is the reason why we picked it. And again, the another reason why we picked it is the operational management is much simpler when compared to other vendor. We have a process to follow to pick up a vendor. We basically look for the company, how the company is doing, and what is the market presence for them, and the maintainability, manageability, supportability, scalability, and whether they are meeting all the functional requirements. We have an individual line item for every section of this, and we score them individually. That's how we pick a vendor. I would always go back and look at the business benefit behind it rather than more of a technical thing. We had to think from the business standpoint. Why do you need API management? Is it you wanted to be a more API company, or you are selling your API, or you wanted to do an omni-channel approach, or what is the reason? Are you simplify the integration? That drives lots of value, and that gives you full visibility why you wanted to bring in API management. I would recommend for anybody to analyze that aspect before they try to purchase an API management.